All right, over here with the jar man. So these nice people over here at Bama Floormats sent me some floor mats for a what is it, like 2017 to 2019 Equinoxes. So jar man has one. Yeah. We're going to pull these out of this box here and see what kind of quality we're working with and see how well they fit. Look at you with a knife ready to go, dude. Heck yeah, dude. Unboxings are always fun. I really was tempted to open it beforehand.
See where this goes.
So these floor mats are available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So we're going to see what kind of quality they are, how they look comparatively to like some WeatherTechs, but they are much cheaper. So we'll see how they feel, how they look, what we're working with. Look at you go, dude.
Man, look at that. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at all those mats. Okay, so it comes folded up. Is there instructions? Do we need a heat gun?
Got everything you need right here.
Oh yeah. See, so it says to put it out in the sun, so they return to form.
Mm-hmm.
That liner might be bent. Okay, so the cargo liner is the one that gets bent, which is that one. Okay. I think we just stand on it.
It's nice.
You got a heat gun?
Yeah.
Heat gun that puppy right back. Oh, that one's gonna need a heat gun too. Yep. Dude, this is eerily similar to the carparts.com bumper.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at it.
Oh, look at that. So they're supposed to be precision made just like WeatherTech. Here's the instruction sheets. Says fold it the opposite direction of the creases. If the crease turns upward, then you should fold it downward. Flatten with a heavy object and keep for a couple hours in the sun. So obviously there's not much sun today. We're gonna maybe hit it with a heat gun and see what happens.
Nice.
All right.
Good looking. All right,
let's feel these puppies. So they feel, comparatively to the WeatherTechs I've had, they feel a little more plasticky. But they're more rigid than the WeatherTechs that I had, for sure. The WeatherTechs were like solid rubber. I also kind of like that they're very thick. They feel well made, for sure. Oh, Jar man's going straight for the install.
Oh yeah, went straight in.
Straight in?
Oh yeah. Get my glasses on. I didn't do anything but set them in and snap it down.
Set it in and snap it down. So I'm thinking this is a little bit of the shipping thing here, but the curvature's perfect, man.
Oh, it went right in. Even on the foothold up here.
Heck yeah.
Right up here on the foothold, it's even good.
Just right on in there?
Yeah.
Oh, they look good. They look good, I'm not gonna lie.
These are nice. Heck
yeah. All right, we're gonna throw the rest of them in, and we're gonna heat gun these here in a second, and then we'll see how it goes.
The other side should be a set, man.
Nice little set in.
Oh, absolutely. Just went right in.
Dude, I need people to send more stuff for you, so you do the work and I just stand here.
Right, it works out, man.
Yep. Okay, cool. So same concept here. Well, hopefully this will relax.
It just needs a little heat.
Yeah, little heat. Relax that back to a nice clean fit, but overall the fit is good. And because of the way that it's formed, the biggest problem I've had with floor mats like forever is when I get in and out, right, I'll drag my feet and then push the mat to the side. Like that happens all the time. This is a full fit. You're not gonna do that on this. Like that's legitimate.
Especially when you're driving, where your heel moves it around.
So this is why you spend money on good floor mats, right?
It went in that easy.
Yeah, that was fast. You got it in before I even walked around.
Yeah, it went right in.
Look at that. Okay.
She's sitting.
Let's grab.
Got a little bit of because of the shipping.
Yep.
You know. But man, that thing is right in. It fits great.
Let's grab a heat gun. See what we can do. We can't find a heat gun. Jarman can't find his. The old guy can't find ours. So we're going to regroup tomorrow. I'm going to find the heat gun at home, and then I'm going to bring it over.
We'll do it again. And
we're going to heat these puppies up. But I mean, they fit in nice. I think the form's going to lay perfectly. Oh, yeah. This is a really nice material, to be honest. Like it's a little, A little more plasticky than the WeatherTechs are, but it's got a really good texture. Like nothing's gonna slide on this. If we can get it to, if we can heat it and get it to lay flat, like that's gonna be money. Heck yeah, dude. So we'll regroup tomorrow with a heat gun and see if we can't get these puppies to form out better.
You know what's crazy?
Hey, so I'm over here giving Mr. Jar Dog the Equinox floor mats, and he wants to know, BamaCar, when you're gonna make it for his Dodge. So 1923, he volunteers to let you map it out. There's probably a whole lot of these that people are wanting.
Yeah.
We're day 2, we're regrouping. Yep. We got the heat gun out because it's not warm.
At all.
Right. But like what if you order these for like Christmas for somebody, right? Like you need to be able to do this, yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
And we did
like,
this.
You need to be able to get these to shape up, right? So let's see what we can do with this heat gun.
Cause that right there looks like when they folded it, they put it in a box. You can see right there where you were.
Yeah.
Took that out.
Weights, baby. You just need to be 340 pounds and stand on it after you heat gun it.
But it's really interesting how the heat gun has worked really good right here in that really hard spot. Right in there. I mean, this is nice.
I mean, you folded that edge right back up.
Yeah.
Look at that. Heck yeah.
Yeah, there's no issues at all. I mean, that's the only spots that I see is like the folding areas.
Yeah.
Only one. Pretty crazy.
We'll let this cool down and then let's see what it looks like now.
I looked at them, I was like, man, the front just looks it's perfect.
Well, the question is did the CEO approve?
Oh yeah, she was all in.
Nice.
She liked her carpeted match, right? But she was like, oh.
Yeah. This one we need to do a little heat treatment here to try and get this to fold back on both sides. Yeah.
And that's all that really needs.
That's all. Yeah, I mean those are smaller pieces, right? This is the biggest piece they have to fold and shove in the box. So, like,
right
makes
there,
sense.
Like you said, though, if that would have been in the summertime, laid up like that, it would have moved it back a little bit.
Yeah.
Put it in. This is awesome.
This material here is nice.
Oh, yeah.
Like I like this textured bit. Oh yeah.
There it is.
Oh yeah.
There it is right there.
It's got a little bit, but
just a touch.
I think that's gonna settle for sure.
That's gonna, anytime once the summer gets here, you'll never know it.
You still have those chairs?
Yeah. I mean, that's just perfect. It sits right in there, right against. See, it even got a nice lip, so you don't lose stuff in behind your seat. I'm thinking this is nice.
Heck yeah.
It's that small little ridge lip, but like you say, that's going to be some heat, right? I mean, once this car gets ambient heat,
I think it'll settle.
I think it's great. I like the texture.
I do too. I like the fact that shit won't slide.
Yeah, it's not that shiny, hard texture.
Yeah.
You know, that everything just slides on anyway.
Yeah.
This has got that grip to it. Nice.
Yeah, I do like that.
That's really nice.
Apples to apples. I've had WeatherTech mats before.
Yeah.
Right. I've never ordered them online, so I don't know how they come in a shipment, like with the back. I know these are cheaper. I can't tell much of a quality difference. I actually kind of like the texture that's on this one better than what was in the back of the Infiniti. Whenever it had the mat, that was like straight rubber, which still wasn't going to slide. It had a little bit of texture to it, but
a little bit. But see,
that one looks better to me.
Plastic, and you put all the stuff on it, it just slides.
Yeah, the WeatherTech was straight rubber. It was like a thick rubber.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was like maybe half-inch thick rubber, but like it didn't have the lip on it. At least the one that was in the Infiniti didn't.
Well, we got.
And the mats themselves, I took out. They're laying in my castle because they were too thick in my mind. Like, and they made the interior look weird in that car. Like, it had super clean, like nice tan carpet, and they just had these black, thick WeatherTech mats that were like made to go in it. It's like, I don't think this Infiniti needs this, but all right, let's give these a little touch of heat, and we'll get back. All right, we flipped her over, heat gunned her in the back. Let's see how it fits now. Oh, that's
perfect.
Way better, dude.
It's solid over here.
Heck yeah, let me go see how your side looks.
Oh yeah. I mean, look at that.
Yeah.
That's all she took. All
Yeah.
she took was a little bit of heat,
A little.
which would be good in the summertime, right?
Exactly right. Yeah.
But no.
I think the theory holds. If you just take them, if it's warm outside with the sun out, you just throw them upside down on the driveway for a few hours. Like
Mold a little bit.
it'll just go right back to form.
Yeah.
But
Staying really good.
yeah. So
Oh yeah, this side turned out. Yeah. Yeah, this side came out perfect.
all right. Upon initial install, what I'm saying is, I'd say apples to apples versus the WeatherTechs that I've had my hands on. I would save the money and buy these. Plus, you get the Amazon factor of it. So, like, if you don't like it, just send it back, right? But it's not plug and play, I guess, out of the gate. You got to do a little bit of finessing from the shipping.
Absolutely.
But I mean,
about anything is that way.
if our dumb selves could do it, I think anybody can. Right?
Well, if you're looking for that, you see that WeatherTech and you're like, oh, that's what I want, and then you get this and you put it in, you're not downgrading yourself.
No, yeah,
No, this
I would say the same. I would say the same. The BamaCar mats, man, approved, and you don't have to buy them all. I saw that they have like the front sets and then just the rear set. So like, I did Infiniti QX60 recently, and I only used the rear mat. I didn't use the front mats because that's the way I preferred that it looked. But all in all, yeah, I mean, I'll set a calendar date for like 3 months from now. We'll check in, see how they hold up. But initial assessment.
Got
thumbs
kids
up.
that are soccer in and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Just get the one for the rear.
Yeah, the rear one's the most important in my mind.
Right?
Yeah. And all right, we'll check back. Links in the description if you want to try and order a set. I think they make it for a lot of cars, but this one's for an Equinox. Perfect fit.
Update.
Yeah, here we go. Since I'm here with cameras, might as well update it, right?
Update. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's settled out great. Oh my goodness. Okay.
And nothing when you put your groceries or stuff in the back, suitcase, whatever. We took a trip. We've been to the grocery store several times. Nothing moves. It stays right where you.
So it has both of your stamps of approval.
Absolutely.
Heck yeah.
Absolutely.
Heck yeah.
Awesome.
Perfect.
The one back here is the one that drove me crazy because it kept on folding up. It was long, and it just kept on folding up.
Oh, the one you already
and
had
it
in
wasn't
there.
covering
And this
anything.
doesn't.
This one just fits perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, look at it, full of groceries getting used. I like it.
It works perfect. Like I say, this back was just amazing.
Yeah. Okay. Heck yeah. All right. So BamaCar Floormats.